Hi, welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be trouble. Alright, so what trouble are we getting into today? Well, I got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and this is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products. They have a new thing where you get to pick 3 products to go into your bag each month. And they used to have a bag that would match the regular glam bag, but the bags they are doing now look like this. Little drawstring bags. And it kind of feels like a nice pillowcase material. Alright, so first thing we got in the bag is "The future is yours." We got the card and it says "Build your perfect bag." And then 3 next level ingredients to try. No product information, no prices. It's a waste of a card. Yes, I'm gonna have to pick that up later. Do I care? Not really. Those cards irritate the heck out of me. Alright, so first thing we got in the bag is a Laura Geller Kajal Long Wear eyeliner in gilded bronze. See if I can get this sticker off. I've been having issues. The problem with having fake nails is they're not functional nails. If they were real nails, this sticker would be no match. Yay, I win. I'm in a weird mood. It's okay. We'll get through it. Alright. So that is the color, and there's how much product you get. And then on the other end, you get a little sharpener. I don't know if I will keep that or not, but it is a brown and not a black, so might keep it. Alright, next up we have a Beauty for Real Shadow Stick Duo. I already know I won't be keeping these. My cousin was looking at something similar to these not too long ago, and she was thinking about getting them for herself, but I'm not too into shadow sticks, so I have no problem giving them to her. So this first shade is something. Starstruck. That is the shade. That is how much product you get. I won't be swatching it because it's no, I'm not keeping it. And then the sharpener on the other end. Oof. Wrist problems. And the other shade, let's see, this is in Midnight Marathon. Alright, so I will put those back in the bag for my cousin Christina. I think she will really like those. All right. For the life of me, I cannot remember which of those two products I would have chosen, because I didn't choose this one, although I would have. So next up we have a Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick, and this is it going to defeat me? It's got a sticker. You know what? I'm gonna cheat. I'm just gonna cut the sticker. I cheated. Ah, it's like a little drawer. You pull it out. So you gotta cut both stickers. And all right. So this is in the shade Boy Collector. I've not been a boy collector in years. That is the shade. This will be my first Huda product. And that is the applicator. Smells good. Put that over there. Alright, and this next product was one of my choices. Is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I've heard so much about Thrive Mascara that I could not help but to pick it. I love that wand, and it does not look like it is going to be one of those formulas that is just wet and slimy to start off with. So I'm so excited to try this mascara. It is not even funny. After I shut off the video, I'm going to do a little happy dance. You don't want to see a happy dance, trust me. Closely resembles mom dance. Little extra arm movement. Yeah. Alright. And, of course, the Venice Fling Bailey Sarian Estate Palette. And I love Bailey Sarian, so I had to pick this. Plus, the color story on this was too cute to pass up. Isn't that pretty? Look at the purple. Oh my gosh. And this gold. Look at it. I'm so excited to play with this. You know what? We're gonna swatch it. I can't help myself. Alright. So. On the top, we have you gonna focus? Come on, you can focus. Okay, we have Soul, Bonfire, and Rose Tattoo. The rose tattoo seems a little bit patchy there, but you never know how it actually applies until you get it on a brush. So wipe those off. All right. Then we have, come on, Tan Lines, Ocean Ave, and Toasty. They're so pretty. Seems like these darker colors are, the darker mattes are the ones that are a bit chalky, but like I said, don't know till you get them on the eyeballs. Then we have Roller Skates, Puppy Love, and Venice Fling. Woo! Yeah. All right. So let me put this off to the side so it does not get broken. Just stay there. These are the swatches. This one right here. Excited to play with that one. And it looks like you're going to want to use a primer with any of those because they will stain. Alright, so that is what we got on our Ipsy Plus. We have the Venice Fling Bailey Sarian palette. We have the Huda Booty Lippy. We have the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. We have the Laura Geller eyeliner. The Beauty for Real eyeshadow sticks. And that is what we got for our Ipsy Plus. Now again, this is $25 a month. And while I am not happy with the lack of information on the card, I am happy with this month's stuff. Now I'm gonna use that eyeliner, and I'm definitely using these. I use them all in one look. I know. I'm in a weird mood today. You'll have to forgive me. Alright. I don't know why I keep trying to put that over there. Alright, so that is it for today's video. Oh, wait, no, because you're supposed to like and you're supposed to comment and you're supposed to subscribe and all that stuff. And I'll leave the link for Ipsy down in the description box if you want to check them out. If you sign up using my link, it gives me points, and I can use those points to get makeup on their add-ons, or however that works, however they do that work on Ipsy. Boxycharm does it different. Okay, now that is it for the video. Alright, that is the trouble we've gotten into. I hope you had fun. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all. I'm getting eyeshadow all over the place. I will see you all on the next one. Bye!